Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we'll be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have one of my favorite OG DIYers. She does amazing work. I'm telling you guys, check out her Instagram. I believe she does have a TikTok as well. But she does work with a lot of wood, definitely not like beginner friendly projects, but if you're just kind of curious to dip your toes into the world of DIY, definitely feel free to hop on over and check out more of her work. I love when I see the cats make cameos in people's videos. So funny. Now she is going with some really bright colors for this. Wow. Very cool. And then we move on to the next DIY. So he's making some type of lamp with this. Wow, this is really cool. And yeah, I wouldn't exactly say that this is a beginner-friendly project either. Oh, he spray painted it gold. That is so pretty. And if you don't want to work with wood, you could actually get like a placemat and kind of like drill some holes into that. I think that would be really pretty as well, and do the same technique. Oh, look how that looks. I love the end result. So pretty. So here we have someone doing a furniture flip. So I feel like furniture flips are a little bit more beginner friendly, or is that just me? I think it just depends on what it is you're doing. If you're just painting it, you can definitely, classify that as a beginner-friendly project. Yellow and like a burgundy shade, that's an interesting color combination. Very nice details for the hardware. And then we have some type of artwork piece. Looks like they're doing a line art design. I like the background because they did like black and white, and they're going in with a white thread. Oh, this is cool. So it's kind of got like that yin and yang color scheme. That's nice. Wow. Beautiful. And then we have a laundry basket design. But this looks smaller than a laundry basket. Looks like a mini laundry basket, or just like a basket. Okay, how many times am I gonna say basket? Oh, I love the wood elements that she just kind of adds to this. Oh, it's a fruit basket. Okay, so basically you're just buying an ordinary basket and then transforming it. Gotcha. And then we have someone doing the tile trend. So they obviously have some type of IKEA table. We used to have that same table. So she went with like a basic all white tile look for this one. Oh, I stand corrected. She's going in with some green. Oh, that's pretty because it kind of plays into the pastel trend. All right, so we have a balloon here, some toilet paper. So they're kind of doing like a paper mache technique. Some little wooden pieces, gluing them together. Looks like she's making the stand. Oh, a lamp. Wow. Very impressive. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. That is insane. So cool. And then we have another DIY from that same creator. I'm not even going to try to pronounce her name because I don't want to butcher it. But she has like some old furniture here that looks like you like get it from like a garage store, or garage sale rather, or like a thrift store. I combined them, garage store. So she added in some padding. That's really cool. Kind of give it a little bit of cushion. And then she has a nice fabric here, beautiful texture. Oh, she's even gonna add in some little wooden pieces. Wow, okay, she really elevated this. Oh, that is amazing. Very cool. I feel like she should spray paint the arms though black, just to like tie it in together a little bit more. But very good. I love it. She did a good job on that. Oh, that's a cute little DIY. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me and hearing my reactions. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.